Hello everyone, this is Rajesh from Formigo Distribution Private Limited. Today, we're thrilled to introduce you to the Akubela HyPanel, a revolutionary display that redefines the world of automation. Akubela HyPanel works with a broad selection of flush-mounted modules compatible with all standards. The modular design of this smart panel allows seamless planning and integration of your home automation devices. This device has a PoE port for power and Ethernet input. It also have a 2-gang switch with the max load of 1200 watts, which can be used to control electrical devices. The Akubela HyPanel is a SIP-enabled device, which can be used as intercom unit. This device can also integrate it with video door phone. This device comes with the Android 10 operating system, so we can install the compatible application and make the as a default user interface. The HyPanel can be integrated with the platforms like Zigbee, Tuya, and automations like Control4, Fibaro, RTI, and more. Akubela supports the voice assistant like Alexa and HomeKit, which was available built-in with HyPanel.
Alexa, turn off the LED strip.
Okay.
Turn on the LED strip.
Okay.
Turn the LED strip color into red.
Akubela provides you various other options like HyPanel Lite, HyPanel Plus, HyPanel Lux, and HyPanel Pro. Thank you for watching. For more interesting videos, subscribe our channel.